Hi guys, welcome back. Once you're done with your Fiverr account, now you have to create a gig on Fiverr which shows your skills, your services, which are you want to sell on Fiverr. So let's get started. This is my profile and here I can see create a new gig. I will go to create a new gig button and here I will write my gig title, what I want to selling on Fiverr. So here I will write, I will do, I will create Instagram post Facebook post. So this will be my gig title, and if I scroll down and here you can see the category option. Here I will define my category. So this Facebook and Instagram post related to graphic designing, so I will select graphic design and here you have to select subcategory. So it is related to social media design. So, and if you just scroll down and you can select your service type. So this is social media post and banners. So here I will select this and gig metadata on here, or you will select where you want to. So these I will select these two options, and here this area is the most important area where you will select your positive keywords to help people find you or search you on Fiverr. So be careful and add catchy and positive keywords to reach people to your Fiverr account. So with these keywords you can get orders on Fiverr. So I will write here Instagram Instagram posts, Facebook posts. So you can add maximum 5 tags over here. With the help of these tags, people will find your account and you can get orders sooner. Just save and continue. And here you will describe your package, your delivery time, your extra services, and your project description, and all the details about your basic package. You can create 3 packages here: basic, standard, and premium. So these packages, like if you are going to standard and premium, so that will be a little bit costly than basic. For now I will create my basic package over here. So the name of package is and here I will describe my package. and I will select my delivery time, in how much days I can submit my project or work. I will select 3 days. With how much revision are you giving your package? So this is the package, so I will not going to give much revision, just I will select 3 revisions. And if you want to add these options, you can add these, but this is the package, basic package, so I will not add these services in this, like source file and feed template. I will select these options or services in my standard or premium package for, but this is the basic package, so I will go with the simple, and you here you will select your price. So I will set $10 for this package, and you are giving your client extra fast delivery. In this service, you have to define your charges and days. So I am going to deliver in a 1 day. For extra charges will be $5 for this service. Save and continue. Package, here you have to describe your brief about your package and your service. So guys, here you have to describe your brief about your package and save and continue. And these are the requirements. You can add a question. Just simply add your question over here. If you want to ask anything, I write this and add, save and continue. So guys, this is the gallery, and here you have to upload your picture, which will show on your gig, and a video if you want to add any video in your gig. So here I will add my picture, which will show on my for example, I will take for example, if I take this picture on my you can add 3 pictures over here maximum, and you can add your video. If you want to show your video over here, so you can add these, you can add any video from here. For now I am cancelling it, and you can add your document or PDF from here. If you want to add something, which is important to upload and save and continue. Just tick mark on this option and save and continue. You have to click one of these. If you are in US, you will select yes, and if you are not, so you will select no. Save and continue. Publish gig and done. So guys, your gig has been published on Fiverr. If you want to see details about your gigs, you can see your all details by clicking this gig, and if you want to see your gigs, so go to your profile and here your gig is ready to show on your profile. Just look at here, and this is my gig which I uploaded here. So my details will be shown here, my package will be shown here, and this is all I done on this process. So guys, this is how to create gig on Fiverr. Hope you like it. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.